Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today, man. Super excited to get into today's video. As you guys seen in the thumbnail, I'm going to be questioning. I'm going to be trying to figure out, bruh, is the Yeezy Adidas slides worth the hype? Now, this slide has been out, I think it's like the second time they released, maybe the third time. I'm not for sure. What I am for sure of is I paid $55 for these, okay? The retail price, the asking price was $55 retail, which is not that bad, to be honest. I remember I wanted a pair of these before I knew they was gonna re-release, and I'm gonna be honest right here, right now, because I know a lot of the comments, bro, I already know, bro. 99% of the comments gonna be like, Snipe, you're a hype beast. You hype these ugly as hell. I wouldn't pay for these. And before you even go into it, I agree, okay? I agree, okay? Look, I agree on a few things, okay? Number one thing I agree on is I definitely bought these slides because they hyped. How hyped? They not like Balenciaga slide, you know what I'm saying? It's not super hype, but I don't know when this quarantine is gonna be over, but when it is over, I'm pretty sure the weather gonna be good, okay? I own only like one pair of slides, just like a pair of Jordan 3M reflective slides. I was like, look, you know, I would like a pair of these because they still slides, but at the same time, they're still subtle, and it's still like got a little bit of hype to it. So you get like a 2-in-1. You get some slides that I need anyway, because I only got one pair. And on top of that, I get a nice hype pair. You know what I'm saying? So I think these slides are something I can throw on with a little chill, and it'd be like a small flex. Not like a huge flex, but just, you know what I'm saying? So, yes, I agree. The hype definitely drove me to buy these. But regardless, though, I always wanted to get a pair of these, though, just to see were they worth it. Now, like I said, they only was $55. They released on Yeezy Supply and Adidas.com. I got mine from Adidas.com, and they had 3 different colorways. They had the bone colorway, they had like the earth brown, and I can't forget the, I can't remember the other colorway. That one like kind of stayed around a little bit longer. The one I actually wanted was a desert sand. I don't think they had desert sand on Adidas.com. That's the one I really wanted. But now the reason why I'm asking, are these worth the hype? Because they sold out on both websites actually pretty fast in men's and infant sizes, and well, kid sizes, not infant. And I wanted to know if they sold out that fast, right? I was even gonna do like a pickup or a live cop video, but I was like, nah, they just slides. But they sold out pretty fast, and I'm just like, for $55, are we just buying these because they Kanye West slides? I kind of did, but I'm saying, like, are they actually even worth the hype? Now, we all know religiously that Yeezys are super comfortable. I'm gonna be testing these, saying, are they comfortable? How do they look? How do they fit? How do they feel? You know what I'm saying? Are they good enough to even be paying $55 for it? Because I know a lot of you guys have questions about that. So hopefully I get all of your questions answered during the video. But guys, before we get to the video, I have to tell you to smash that subscribe button. We're still trying to hit 100,000 before the end of the year. Also, guys, if you ever overpaid for a sneaker in your life, I'm gonna need you to smash that like button. I think everybody has overpaid for a shoe at some point in time in their life. Y'all paid more than the shoe was worth. And this might be one of those situations where I think I paid more than this Yeezy Adidas slide was worth, but we have to find out. Now, I do have to say huge shout out to Adidas, because I bought these and they came on time. These came in yesterday, and I hit a shock drop on sneakers app, and my Jordans are being pushed back into May the 5th, which is so weird to me. Why would you allow me to win a shock drop I won't be able to get until like 3 days after the release date? Like, that's just backwards to me. And I always wonder, I even said this in my video, how is it that Adidas is able to continue shipping on time and Nike is just having this tough time shipping on time? I don't really understand what's going on with it, but neither here nor there, man. If you've been buying Adidas, if you've been buying Yeezys, even if you hit for the shock drop, because Adidas did do a shock drop with a few 350s yesterday, I guarantee your shoe's probably gonna be there on time, man. I don't know what's going on with Nike, but Adidas is showing through right now. All right, man, let's see, man. Let's see. Okay, something that I see, you know, small things. It still has the Adidas brown box, all right? No 350 on it, so that means no boost in the slides. Keep in mind, it's my first time ever seeing, owning, or I've never even looked at a review of a pair. This is my first overall take of everything. Something cool that I see is on the front, it says slide. It usually says 350 or 700 or whatever form of Yeezy that you have. I should put this sign up whenever I slide at the end, man. Size 12, man, y'all already know the vibes. I didn't know how size it was gonna be with a slide, so I just got true to size. I'm a 12, I'm gonna grab a 12 and hopefully these fit properly. If not, I don't know, man. I would think to just grab them true to size. All right, y'all ready? Let's do it. Let's see what we working with. Bow, here we go, man. Here we have it. I picked up the Yeezy slide. This is the bone white colorway, okay? So this is the bone colorway, and right off the back, it feels, I don't know, I think I wasted some bread, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I think I definitely wasted some bread on these guys. I don't know. I'm not feeling too well about these, bro. It does have some writing on the top slide. It says Yeezy made in China. Yeezy made in China. And it also has like the sticker with your size on it, like it was for a sneaker. But just feeling these like this, I feel like I think I wasted some bread, dog. I ain't gonna hold you. Looking at this shoe, I know a lot of you like, why in the world did you buy these? And I get it, right? I get it 100%. It was not only an impulse buy, but it was a buy of curiosity. I had to know for myself, was they worth the buy? And $55, even if they are for slides, bro, $55, let's just be honest, it's just not that expensive, okay? So I thought the retail price wasn't that much of a risk. Now, if he's selling the slide for $150, nah, that ain't gonna happen. $55, if I lose out on $55, I can live with that. I'm perfectly fine. So the reason why I'm a little questionable about this is because whatever material this is, it don't look like it has any technology at all. None at all, guys. I don't see no boost material. I don't see like no crazy pattern right here for your feet for comfort. I'm not seeing no material at all. Imagine a sneaker, just a blank canvas with no technology, no zoom or no boost, no Adi Prime, no nothing. And it's just like foam. It's just like a huge foam block of a slide, man. That's exactly what it is. Just a huge foam block. The only thing that it has around the entire slide is just the Adidas branding that you will get right here on the bottom. Can you see that? Let me see if my camera. Can you please? There we go. Can y'all? Yeah, y'all see that. You get these little shark teeth at the bottom of the slide, and it remind me of a croc. That's what it looked like. It looked like just a hyped croc. And to be honest, man, like if you don't even know who Yeezy is or what he does, you wouldn't even know that these are Yeezy slides. So I mean, the flex is so small. Is it worth it? You know, is it worth it? Because anybody else is gonna think you got some ugly sandals on or some ugly slides on. So I mean, it really, I don't know, y'all. I think I messed up. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna just throw these on feet. I'm gonna do an on feet with slides, man. That's what it's coming to at this point. I'm gonna do an on feet, and I'm gonna talk about the comfort of these, because if the comfort is good, I feel like I saved myself. If they feel great when I put these on, I'm not even gonna be mad, because at least I invested in some comfy feet. But if they don't feel like anything, we gotta talk. So I'm gonna go outside, throw these on, man, and head back inside and tell you all about them. Let's get it. All right, I think it's safe to say they ain't that dang comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Look. I'm trying to be as positive as I can, okay? It's a Croc. If you ever wore a pair of Crocs before, it's a Croc, just like a different silhouette, a little bit more hype to it. The shoe has no technology, as I said earlier. It has no type of incentive to buy this other than coming from Kanye West. And you know, some people might figure it out, some people might not. I had to experiment for myself. It's so the question of the video is the Adidas Yeezy slides worth the hype? I can honestly say, not really, okay? I remember buying these on Twitter and not on Twitter, I'm sorry. I remember buying these on Adidas and heading straight to Twitter. You know, just see what Twitter's talking about, man. If you don't follow me on Twitter, it's right there down below too. It's the same as my Instagram. The link is down below in the bio. Follow me on Twitter, man. I need to get my Twitter rocking, bro. That's gonna be lit. Yeezy slides was trending. And it wasn't trending for a good reason. It was nothing but a huge thread of hundreds of thousands of people saying, how did these sell out? If you bought these, you trash. These look terrible. They was like bashing the slides. And then since this was my first time buying them, yeah, I was just on my phone like, you know what I'm saying? I couldn't believe it. I'm like, yo, bro. So like literally immediately after I bought these, I started like thinking twice, like, oh man, I think I messed up. But man, hey, I guess that's how the game goes, guys. I don't think the Yeezy Adidas slides are worth the hype, but I'm gonna leave it up for you guys to find out yourself. If you want a pair, you can still get them like now. I'm not sure what they're going for. Like I said, they do add a little hype. Of course, I'm still gonna be rocking mine. I mean, I paid for them, so they will be rocked. But at the end of the day, it's up to you. You heard my choice. You heard my opinion. You heard my ideas. That's just about it for me for the video, guys. I want to make sure that you subscribe to this channel, smash the like button, and also remember, if you ever overpaid for a pair of shoes in your life, smash the like button, man. Let me see who paid more than they should have. It's your boy, Sniper Jones. The Yeezy Adidas slides ain't worth the hype. Until next time, everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.